moving to three teams, that is section A, B and C. I am going to tell you the rules of round 1. Round 1 is complete the question round. On the screen you will see a question with a missing word along with its answer. You have to guess logically the missing word. This is a team-wise round and only first 3 guesses from each team will be considered. And the answer you will write in the chat box. If the first answer is correct, you will get 10 points. If the second answer is correct, then you will get 5 points. If the third answer is correct, then you will get 2.5. If the fourth is correct, no marks will be given to the team. And if by mistake you give the fifth answer also and fifth is correct, then unfortunately that marks will move to the next team. So they will get 5 points. So you have to stop at fourth answer. 2 chances for pass team and 5 points. So when a question is passed from team A to team B will get 2 chances to attempt that question, and if they don't get it correct, then that question will move to next team. So I am starting with the team A. So this is the question: how much dash is generated daily in 2020? I have received 3 answers in my chat box and these are not correct. But the fourth answer given by Aryan Tiwari is correct. Aryan Tiwari, repeat your answer. Data, right. So 1.7 MB of data is created every second by every person during 2020. If we compare the data generated in the last 2 years with the data generated on the internet since World Wide Web came into existence, it is astonishing to know that in the last 2 years, 90% of the whole data has been generated, thanks to the availability of high-speed data connection at cheaper rates with the increase of smart devices for all. Now, each of us always being plugged in the cyber world, contributing to the big data in such an extent that 25 lakhs of hard disk of 1 TB each is required to store that much of data for each day. Why do we need to store this data? Because these data contains trends, consumers' choice, business opportunities and much more which AI system will use for making predictions. Now, as this answer from team A came after 3 wrong answers, team A will not get any point. So, moving to next question. Team B, be ready? What lies dash artificial intelligence and deep learning? And its answer is machine learning. What will come in the blank of the question?
Between.
Answer is right, between. As you can see here, the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning with the help of Venn diagram. And artificial intelligence is a superset of all. Next question for team C. Name the 3 dash of A and N. And answer is input, hidden and output. Agrima has given parts. Rupesh has said components. Still the right word is missing. Agrima is saying types. And now the last answer will get 0 points. If you get it correct, at least it will not pass to next team. So no attempt is coming from team C, so it will move to team A automatically. So team A, now you can give your answer.
The correct answer is layers.
Layers, right answer. Name the 3 layers of ANN. So ANN consists of 3 layers: input, hidden and output. Now let's move to the next question, and the next question will be open for all. So let's understand this. Now the same type of question will come. It will be open round. Use chat box, write only the answer. On invite, tell your name and repeat the answer. So you will only write the answer here. You will not write anything. But when I will say that this answer is correct, so you will open your mic and then you will tell your name, you will tell your section, and then you will repeat the answer. The question is, which goal asks us to take responsibility for our products, dash, customers and employee? The goal is responsible consumption and production. What will come inside the blank? You have to fill word in such a way that the question is complete, not consumption. not consumption. Usage, goods. Goods is not a correct answer. Something much more broader. See, employee is there, customer is there, okay, building.
Sir, I am Vilina Shellenting of class 9 and the answer is environment.
Environment. Let me check. I think the answer has come. It means that we take responsibility not only for our own products, for the environment as well and the region, but also for our customers and employees. Section
B.
B. Okay, so right answer. 9B will get 10 points for this. Now moving to the next question. All of you pay attention. What is the use of computer vision related to smart? And the use is given here.
Sir, I am Aditya Shukla of class 9B and the correct answer is interaction.
Interaction is right answer. You have 9th B. So I'm giving you 10 points here to the team B. So team B has reached to 30. Next question. How can we combat dash to protect life on land? And the images are part of the answer.
Section C, and the answer is desertification.
Desertification. Very good answer. That section is C. Correct? Now coming to round 2. Now this is the second round. We have to connect the picture. 2 pictures will be shown. Text box hint, 1 box for each character. You will use chat box, and when asked, repeat your name, section and answer on mic. Okay, ready? So now these are the 2 pictures. And now I will be giving you the box hint. You have to guess, okay, that what is the word related to this picture. Okay, and solar energy, renewable.
I am Vilina Shellenting of class 9B and the answer is affordable.
Affordable, yes. With the renewable, we also use the word affordable and clean energy. 7.7 goal it was, affordable and clean energy. Moving to the next question. Here it is. You have seen some image.
My name is Vinayak Saxena and the answer is CBIR.
The CBIR is the right answer. Vinayak Saxena. You got it correct. It stands for
The content-based image retribution.
content-based image
Retribution.
retrieval. Okay. And your section is
Sir, A.
A. Yes. So A, team A will get 10 points. So let's see. Content-based image retrieval. You can see in the first image that whenever we are searching any image by supplying image to it, to the Google search engine, then we are actually searching image with the help of image. And at the right side you can see that how the face of one person is matched against face of another person. So what actually we are searching an image with the help of an image. Next question it is, in a sustainable city everyone should have access to, and I'm going to give you a hint. Here it is. Green solar, green space is the right answer. Agrima Mishra, you got it correct. Come on to the screen.
I'm Agrima Mishra, class 9C, and the correct answer is green space.
Very good. 9C. So 9C has got 10 more points. So C's total is now 20, B's total is 40, and team A is at 15 points. So it is not about competition, it is about how much interest we are generating and how much we are able to revise. Okay. So right answer, Agrima. green spaces have the potential to make cities more healthier and resilient spaces. So when we have lots of parks in a city, it's not only healthy, it is not only environment friendly, but it makes the city beautiful. Okay, the importance. So that's how we can say that the city is sustainable, where lots of greenery is there. Next question. Now this is tricky. Identify the two targets of goal number 16. There are two targets. No corruption and law and order. See, I'm just giving you no corruption and law and order is much more closer. But you are missing out one symbol. Justice and strong institution, equality, no corruption equal to law and order. No corruption equal justice. Please stop all of you here, because I will say that Vinayak Saxena is already reached to that target. After that, Vilina has made it correct. But the main answer, 90% of the answer Vinayak Saxena has given. So I will give only 8 points to him. So Vinayak Saxena, please give your answer.
So my name is Vinayak Saxena and the answer is no corruption equals to law and order.
Okay. So there are two targets, and one is no corruption and there is equal to law and order, and no corruption, you have got it correct. The only thing you have missed, that equal justice to all, that what Vilina has guessed it correct, but it was later after Vinayak Saxena has given the two answers. So I will give the benefit of doubt to Vinayak Saxena only in this case. So Vinayak, you will get 8 points at section A. No corruption and equal justice to all are the two targets. Peace, justice and strong institutions, these were related to this goal, that peace is required, justice is required and strong institutions has to set up in order to maintain peace all around. And as you can see on the screen, so these are the 4 targets, and 2 targets I have given out of that. That was no corruption and equal access to justice. Which two components are shown here? Which two components are shown here? Two components. These two components are related to one complete main heading. It is related to voice recognition, but it is not the correct answer. There are two components. Not voice search. We are not talking about GPS in this case. As you can see, the dialog box, that is the main thing. And this is in your syllabus also. I have given you all to revise this topic. NLP and navigation. Environment perception. Both the components are related to voice. One is talking and another is listening and giving the answer. NLU and NLG is the correct answer. Patmesh Srivastav, correct. Come onto the screen.
Sir, my name is Patmesh Srivastav and the correct answer is NLU and NLG.
Section A. And Patmesh, give the full form of both.
Natural language learning and natural language processing and natural language understanding.
Natural language understanding, and NLG is natural language generation. Okay, so this is something very important related to NLP. Now let's see what does NLP is. Now here, the man is talking and the system is able to understand his natural language, and then system is doing all type of vision system is there, and after understanding that what he's asking, then it is decoding it, and after that it is giving the answer in natural language only. So that is natural language generation. So first of all, system needs to understand what the person wants from that system, and then it is giving the answer back, that is natural language generation. And these NLU and NLG are the parts of NLP, that is natural language processing. Total point of team A is 33, and team C has got 20 points, and team B has got 40 points. So the winner is team B for today.